Hey guys, this is Shabir and you are watching our YouTube channel. Today in this video tutorial we will learn each and everything step by step about Windows 11 installation and with Vmware workstation. We will learn about firstly how and where to download Windows 11 ISO file in few seconds, and how to download install Vmware workstation in your Windows, and finally we will see how to install Windows 11 in your virtual machine. So guys, let's get started. Now we will open the Google Chrome. I will select one, just search here, get into PC. Just you can see first link, click on it. I will give this link in my video description. You can see there and click on that. Just click here. As you can, it's officially first interface of get into PC website. Search here Windows 11 or create write go, and you can update it. You can see updated one, and it's updated one Microsoft Windows 11 March 2020, free download 1 week ago, and you can see it's old 1 month ago, and it's too old 3 months ago. We will click on it. It's updated. Just click here and you can scroll down and down. You can see its downloads link. You just have to it's on, click here. Just wait a moment. Just wait and little bit. As you can see, it's starting downloading, and I will pause it because I have an already ISO file. I will show you. Give a moment. Download. You can see I have already an ISO file. I was downloaded it from get into PC. You can check this link and skip this link. And now we have to do second thing. Second thing is that Vmware download. Just search here on Google and you will show its result. You can see www.vmware.com. just click on it, this link, and you can see first interface of it. Its link, its officially website. As you can see, download now button, and click on it. As usually I have already an full setup of VMware. Just I will pause it and I will show you. As you can see in my download folder, it's already downloaded VMware player. Just click on here and run as administrator. Just wait a moment. Yes, you can see it's installing. It's preparing for the installation, and give a moment. Now you will just simply next. It's very easy. I accept license, it's agreement. I click on it, next, again next, install. It will be installed in few seconds or minute, and give a moment. After installation, we will go to the installation of Windows 11 in virtual machine. Just a moment for the installation. As you can see, its icon, VMware workstation icon, installed now, and it's finishing now. Installation is finishing, and after that we will open this VMware workstation and install the Windows 11 in virtual machine, and you will see how to create a virtual machine in Vmware workstation. It's very simple. Just give a moment. So finally it's installed, and we will finish it. And Vmware workstation is asking for the restart your PC. You have to must restart it. I will click on it. After restart this PC, I will show you how to install Windows 11 in your workstation machine virtually. So finally guys, we are back to the screen after restart the PC, and now I will create a folder here, and new folder. Its folder name is Vmware. I will tell about it after open it. Just click on Vmware workstation player, open it. It's open and it's fully max. On just click on it, create a new virtual machine, and click on it. If you see here, click, you have to do it. Just I will install the operating system later. Okay, I will next. You can see all the versions of Windows or servers and everything about Microsoft, all the editions, all the professional edition, home editions, each and everything about all the Windows or servers. Okay, but we are not showing here about Windows 11, but you don't get worry, I will create it just next here, and we will create here about Windows 11. It's very simple. Okay, and now I will show you about that folder. Just click on browse and desktop, and that folder. Okay, and I will go next. I will give 14 GB to the virtual machine from physical machine. It's about hard, and 40 GB. Okay, sorry. Okay, 40 GB. Okay, it's okay. And click on it. Just next, and go to the customize hardware. It's all about RAM, memory, and physical hardware for virtual machine. Okay, actually I have 4 GB RAM in my laptop. Just I have to divide in two machines. I will give here 2 GB for the virtual machine. Okay, just I will give 2 GB, and now click on CD DVD SATA, and click use ISO file, browse, click on browse, and go to the download. I have file, just click on it. It's an ISO file, and just close, and click on finish. Okay, now you can see it's ready to start. Just we have to click on play virtual machine. Just click on it, and click on restart, any button for the installation of Windows. Now you can see it's starting for the installation of Windows 11. It's very simple. Just click on it, install. It will be installed as usually we installed Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8.1. It's very easy for the installation.